this is Vito from Vito's Italian Cucina. Special day for you today. We're gonna do Fettuccine Alfredo. Yes, my mama style. That's what we're gonna do. But let me tell you something right now. This is not something that I would eat every day, and I don't think you should either, but this is sort of like a delicacy thing. It's kind of high in fat. We got, a stick of butter, cream, all that kind of stuff. And I just want to show you how to do it, but you know what? Every once in a while, it's great to have for the soul. So come on over, let me show you what we're gonna do. Right here we have some garlic. That's just like 2 or 3 cloves of garlic all chopped up. Then I have 1 stick of butter. Yeah, that's right, 1 stick of butter. Then we have 2 cups of heavy cream right here, 2 cups. Then right over here is some nutmeg, and I'm only gonna use a pinch of this nutmeg. Then right over here is a little parsley, and that's for a little bit of a decoration afterwards. 2 eggs, 2 egg yolks actually, and then some Parmesan and some Romano cheese right there, and that goes in as we go. I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. Now, the fettuccine's already been cooking. It's best to kind of cook it a little later in the operation here, but I cooked it a little bit ahead of time. It's still going to be al dente, and al dente means to the bite. So it's a little bit tough, but not all the way soft. You don't want that. Okay, let me tell you something about the fettuccine just to stay right here. And this fettuccine right here has been cooking a little bit right there. And the whole idea with this is for us to go ahead and not rinse it off. We want to keep some of the starches in there so the sauce sticks to the starch. Okay, usually we wash off our pastas, but not in this case. Okay, so here we go. We're going to go ahead and do it. First thing I'm going to do is put in a little bit of garlic. Here goes the garlic right in here. I'm going to put it right in there. I'm going to make sure my fire is on. There we go. Push it around. And once you get this stuff going like this, boy, this aroma in the house will make you nuts. It's so great. If you like garlic especially, you know what I mean? There we go. Look at that. We'll let that cook for a while. All right, I think that our garlic has softened up a bit. By the way, I put a little bit of oil in the pan, a little olive oil with the garlic, and like I said, the aroma is gonna really knock you out. Next thing up, a whole stick of butter. I know, a whole stick of butter, come on. There you go. Put it all in. I chopped it up like that. Let me turn this down a little bit so it doesn't get too brown on the garlic. Just flip it around. Okay, it's time for the heavy cream. There's 2 cups of heavy cream. Now the butter has melted along with the garlic and the oil. It smells motto in here. So let's go ahead and pour it in. And let's pour it in very slowly, so it's not going to burn. Let's let that get to a nice little boil. Okay, now it's been cooking for a couple minutes right there, and now it's time for me to put in a little bit of nutmeg. And now all we need to do is just like a little pinchy. This is not really for the taste. What this does is it really kind of enhances the cheeses, and you're gonna love it. So now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and I'm gonna stir this in just a little bit, let it stir in. Let it stir in just a little bit, just like so. I'm gonna get it mix it up now. And then I'm gonna go get the 2 egg yolks, and I'm gonna go ahead and put them in. But with the egg yolks, what I'm gonna do is I gotta make sure that they get, little scrambled like this. Go ahead and do that to me, you know what I mean? I love this part. My mom used to let me do this part, She trusted me with this. You know how when you get like you're cooking something and you get like you're cooking cookies and you got the batter, I used to stick my finger in and take a little swipe of that batter, but she knew to trust me with the egg yolks because I don't think you want to do a raw egg yolk, you know what I mean? So I go ahead and I add the egg yolk, and you add it very slowly too. So why? So it doesn't cook on you, okay? I think you can see that, okay? Go ahead and let that cook in there, like so. Keep stirring it around. Yeah, this is gonna be really good. Now the next thing up after it stirs around and cooks just a little bit longer is I'm gonna add the half cup of Romano cheese and half cup of Parmesan together, and it's mixed up in one bowl. So don't go nowhere. A little bit of salt and pepper before I add the cheese. Here we go. A little bit of pepper. And a very, very, very tiny bit of salt, because there's already salt happening with the cheese, and you don't want to have too much salt. By the way, my garlic, my mom used to do it where the garlic browned like that. So if you notice that, that's it. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the Romano and the Parmesan cheese, and you're going to do the same there. Everything is added just a little bit at a time so it doesn't clump up. Just like this. Look at that. Can you imagine what this is going to be like, folks? This is how you do it, baby. Okay, just like that. And you stir it around. Make sure you get a good mix so no clumpies, no clumpies. You know, you don't want that. All right, so we're going to go ahead and let that simmer for just a little bit. And then the next thing up we're going to do is take our fettuccine out of the hot water, and we're going to put it right in here. Don't drain it. Don't wash it off. We're going to let it drain in the pan and then put it right in here and mix it up. You're going to love this. Okay, as you can see, it was thickening up there. That's exactly what we're going for. You know, you want it to be thin because you want it to stick to the pasta. Okay, so here we go. We're going to do a little pasta here. What you do is just get in here like this, let it drain just like that. You come on over, just like so. And you come on over. Let it drain off, let it drain the water off like that. Come on in, okay? And we'll do some more. Here we go, look at that. We're having fun here, boy, I'll tell you that, okay? Look at this. And you come on over just like so. And like that. I think I'm gonna go for one more of these. Remember, we have a pound of pasta over here too, by the way, so really, really good. Okay, here we go. Just like so. And I'm gonna go ahead and do a little tossing here. Look at that. It's nice, huh? Go ahead and mix up. Look at that. Nicely done. Okay. Okay, so I think that's it. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and put it in a plate. Don't go nowhere. I love it. Put a little bit of Parmesan cheese on it. Look how beautiful that looks in here, by the way. Always save a little bit of your Parmesan and Romano for the top like this. And then I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put a little bit of parsley. Look at that. So beautiful. So beautiful. We're just going to sprinkle it like this. Oh my God, look at that. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? And that's what you got. Look at this. Huh? Buon appetito. Vito's Italian Cucina. Fettuccine Alfredo. Vito'sItalianCucina.com or at YouTube, youtube.com, Vito's Italian Cucina. Hey, thanks for joining us today. I hope that you can stay with us. I gotta eat. Salute. Buon appetito. Ciao.